And as we've been reporting, the retail industry has a lot at stake when it comes to the trade war with China, simply because they source so much of their products and materials from that country. Many companies have continually said that they're watching the situation very closely. And now some details of a tariff strategy in retail are emerging. Seema Mody has our details.
Home retailers are starting to outline just how they plan to get around higher tariffs. RH, parent of Restoration Hardware, said it's selectively raising prices to offset higher tariff-related costs, moving some production out of China while also setting up its own manufacturing facilities in the U.S. According to Wedbush Securities, approximately 25% of its merchandise value is sourced from China. RH joins a growing list of retailers that are proactively trying to decouple from China. Williams-Sonoma recently telling CNBC's Jim Cramer that it's also looking to shift production to other countries in Asia.
We have a very sophisticated, vertically integrated supply chain. We have a lot of people all over Asia. And so we have great relationships with our vendors, and we started seeing it happen, and we started moving product.
Moving what, to
moving
Vietnam?
Product to
moving
Vietnam, to Indonesia, moving it to America, and then also renegotiating with our current Chinese manufacturers.
Question is whether this strategy of sourcing goods from countries outside of China will pay off. Analysts say there are risks of shifting production, especially to developing countries in Asia where you might not get the same level of quality.
There also is an additional risk that if we start moving production out of China and we roll back the tariffs from 25% to 10% or to 0%, you've spent all this time and effort moving production out of China, and you go back to China. There are big question marks as to whether or not it's worth the effort at this stage of the game. Some are still taking a wait-and-see approach.
One of the benefits of shifting the supply chain is lower prices, but industry experts say the next 6 months will determine whether taking a proactive approach to get around tariffs was the right move. For Nightly Business Report, Seema Mody.